Another resource to examine wildfire smoke is using the FireSmoke Canada website. The address here is FireSmoke.ca, and you can examine smoke forecasts. If I scroll down, essentially looking at high-resolution interactive forecasts of hourly, daily average, and daily maximum concentrations of PM 2.5 smoke particles at ground level from wildfires. Now, to examine this, we just go ahead and select View Current Forecast. And I'm just going to go over just a few basic features of this site, but the best way to dive in deeper into it is to go up here to hit the forecast information button, and we'll start with that. If you select that, it talks about the smoke forecast. This video happens to be being made on Monday, June 26th. It talks about the model information. There's information on downloads and previous forecasts. There's a tools playground, and then all the different layers that you can utilize on this site and how to use some of the other buttons that are available to you. So I would encourage you to go ahead and examine all of that. But just to give you a very quick tutorial of what this site can do, essentially you can kind of see these plumes of smoke and where they're moving based on the weather information, and it shows you where there are wildfires and where that smoke is going to go. So here's our scale down here. The darker colors mean the higher concentrations of PM 2.5 smoke particulates. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the frame rate here and set it 2 frames per second to 10. And obviously you can use toggles to stop and start that. But here you see the numbers indicate where there's areas of wildfires. And because we're on such a large scale, it kind of clumps them all together. But if we just go ahead and zoom into the area, you can see the individual wildfires and the weather conditions that will allow the smoke to transport in the way that it is that you see here in the rotating image. And if you zoom in even further, you can see the individual fire perimeters and the different fires and where the smoke is going from them. So if we zoom back out, we can see, again, this video is being made this past Monday, and the forecast goes out until Wednesday morning, and it looks like a lot of the smoke from Quebec is going to initially go down into the Great Lakes, perhaps Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, and then continue to produce quite a bit of smoke across portions of Ontario and Quebec, and eventually may even be moving back down into the Northeast United States. So that's just a quick overview again of FireSmoke.ca to get these excellent smoke forecasts from wildfires.